Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing old caulk and any mold. This ensures adhesion. Once done, scrub with a 50/50 vinegar solution, rinse and dry. Moisture prevents curing. Make sure to mask adjacent tile with tape for a straight line, then cut the cartridge tip at a 45-degree angle size to the gap. Next, puncture the inner seal and load the tube into the caulk gun. You're now ready to apply a controlled, continuous bead. You should hold the gun at a steady 45-degree angle and squeeze with consistent pressure so the bead flows evenly. Jerky motion causes gaps. As you move along the joint, match your speed to the bead width, slower for larger gaps, faster for thin seams. Once a section is filled, tool the bead immediately with a wet finger or a silicone tooling stick to compress and smooth it for contact and shape. This also removes excess and improves adhesion. You'll remove masking tape within 5 to 10 minutes to leave crisp edges, then let the silicone cure undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. No showers, no steam. Curing time matters for durability. If you notice gaps or poor adhesion before cure, cut out the fresh section and reapply. For deep joints, insert a foam backing rod first to control depth and save caulk. One tip: if mold appears later, remove the bead and replace it. Silicone is replaceable, and it's the correct fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.